All right, let's talk about just the basics of silhouette in general. So when you open up the program, you're going to find this. This is to represent the cut mat or what the vinyl is going to be. So this is a 12-inch by 12-inch square. The first thing that I suggest you do is that you come up here to View and you show the grid. What this grid does is it actually breaks it down. Each one of these big, darker squares is 1 inch. That would make this a 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch, and this a 1/4 inch by 1/4 inch. So that's going to allow you to know kind of the size of what you're doing. So from here, the tools are on the left. The panels are on the right. Okay, so the tools that you can use would be like the arrow. That would be to grab something. You can make a curved line, you can make a straight line, you can make an object, you can draw freehand, which I don't suggest, but you can do it. This is for writing. This is for drawing once again. This is erasing if you do something you don't like. And then I really rarely ever use the cut. That would be if you have a line and you want to make it 2 lines, you can just slice it. Okay? Over here on the right, you start off with just this. This is your basic page. But the tools that you want to probably use more than anything over here would be this. This is your letter panel. So if I'm going to write something and I want to make something for that is awesome. Right? Can't spell today. Awesome, right? But I don't like that font. That's when I could select it, come over here and change it to whatever font that I have. You can always go to defont.com to get more, right? And then you can resize it, once again, using this. So if you're caught in here and I try and grab it, I'm actually creating a separate one. So I hit escape to get out of it, choose the arrow, and now I can adjust it, okay? I can bring things closer together using the character spacing, like that. Line spacing would be if I wrote and I double click on it. Now I go people, because I'm going to do awesome people. Now I can change that. Okay. The next thing that I really want to show you is what if I want to trace an object. Okay. So the first thing that you want to do, what's best for you, is if you will grab a something that's a silhouette. So usually I'm trying to get a black and white. It does make it easier. You can do color, but you'll see it's going to grab whatever is darkest. So I'm going to go up here to my trace tool, which I say looks like a butterfly. So then I select this and I grab the whole thing and it's yellow. My threshold helps me adjust how much I want to grab and make it fill it. If I keep going, I can get it too puffy and I don't like that. So I'm just trying to get where it is, and then I click trace. And I'm going to grab the object, and you can see this is now traced everything else, all right? So I could actually delete that because the red lines are what the silhouette's going to cut. So that's how you write words or trace something. For the most part, which is going to be most people's basic tool.